Welcome to Facts and Tips Naija. This video will teach you how to convert your normal camping gas or gas stove or this type of cylinder or this type of regulator, the winding type, so that with just a press of a knob you are able to fix or remove. So you can go from this to this, simple and easy. Here are the materials you need for the conversion: a gas cylinder converter valve and this regulator. Also a gas pipe and hose clip. This is the gas cylinder converter valve and this is the regulator you need. Now fix the converter valve on the old cylinder or the cylinder you wish to convert. It can be any form of cylinder and it works well. The conversion is easy and simple. This conversion takes less than 5 minutes. And here is the regulator. Remember, this is the type of regulator you need to buy. The one with a switch and a knob. If you have watched to this extent, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to learn more valuable tips. Step 2. Remove the pipe from the old regulator. And here is how to remove the old pipe from the regulator. For the pipe to go off, add some little oil or any lubricant. After removing the pipe, cut off the old portion so that you can have a fresh space for the new regulator. Step 3. Fix the pipe to the new regulator. Apply a little oil or any lubricant of your choice to help the pipe enter easily. Now screw tightly the hose clip or clamp. Press the knob to fix the regulator and also to remove the regulator. But if you need a better explanation, there's a video on the channel, a less than 2 minutes video teaching you how to correctly remove and fix the regulator. Do well to watch it also so that you become conversant with how to fix and remove this regulator. And also subscribe to the channel so that you can learn more practical tips. That said, your new gas cylinder with regulator is ready for use. See you on the next tips. Ciao, ciao.